Hello everyone, my name is Judy Jackson and today I'm telling you about a cookbook that I have written called Lookit Cookit, Kitchen Games for Curious Children. Now you probably know that over the past 2 years I've been featuring books by famous writers, so I hope you'll excuse me for putting in one of my 8 books. Now the reason this is interesting is that it's not just for children, so if you don't have any kids yourselves, don't switch off now, but just keep looking at it, because generally adults aren't interested in reading children's cookbooks, but this one is full of games, experiments, quizzes, puzzles, and things I promise you don't all know. I wrote this because of a child who probably wasn't interested in food at all, and my way of getting her interested was to play these games with her. Everything is made with good ingredients, but the most interesting is there is one which is spectacular for adults as well. You can make a totally clear drink out of fresh tomatoes. Now you wouldn't believe it, it looks and tastes as good as wine, but different, and it certainly isn't wine, but it is unexpected and a delight, and this is one of the many things that you'll find in Lookit Cookit. So what I suggest is that maybe you go along to Amazon and check it out. It's not expensive. And anyway, the other thing is that at the end of my talk, there is a short video about how to make a really good dessert in 10 minutes. Here's a photo of the grandchildren, one of whom inspired this book, but there are now another 2, making 13 in all. The dessert I'm making is raspberry yogurt. I've got 2 punnets of raspberries and I'm using the slightly softer ones to mash up and put into the yogurt. Now I have a whole punnet of raspberries and I've spooned over about a tablespoon of sugar, you might want more, and then I'm just mashing it in with a fork. When they're almost all soft, you don't want any big lumps, you'll be ready to put on the other ingredient, which is thick Greek yogurt. Now I'm using about half a large pot of yogurt for 1 punnet of raspberries. Now as you can see, this is going to make a very fruity yogurt, and it is going to taste totally different from anything you buy in the shops. So here it is, the rest of the yogurt all going in and folded in. Now I'm spooning it into 3 pots. I've just got 3 small pots here and I'm just using it to just will fit the 3rd one. When you've done that, all you need to do to finish it off is put some of the big whole raspberries onto the top. Here's a picture of the finished dessert. Of course, it's not just raspberries you can use, so as you see in the back of the picture, I've got strawberries and blueberries. The method is exactly the same. I did say at the beginning that this was a dessert you could make in 10 minutes, but my guess is you can probably do it in 5. If you like my ideas, please press the subscribe button or just tell your friends about it.